Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just yesterday I was helping somebody redesign this, and there's a bunch of these lines that are not worth working on. I mean, they're all terrible. So how would you do it? And it's kind of in the shape of an oval, but here's a little trick to think about. I just put the and sign. It's nothing in particular. No font. I'm going to draw a line holding down the control button. I'm also working the CMYK, which I never do. And then I'm going to have rounded corners to kind of give us that line effect. That's probably a little bit thick, too thick. Let's go 1.5 millimeters. I don't work with millimeters, but that's what the file came in. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to start moving and then put it to the top of the page. And then I'm going to move it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and put it right in the center of that E. It's not in the center of the E, but the E's in the center of the page. And I'm going to rotate it 20 degrees. Control D, rotate it 40 degrees. And then just keep Control D'ing it around. Now you see we're making a circle, and we actually need an ellipse. So I'm going to take or not ellipse, a oval. So all you have to do is go up here and go Control G to group that together, and then just stretch it. And then hit P, put it in the center of the page, go back and get your E, and now you have an oval around that E. Now some of the lines, and the one I'm doing this for, some of the lines are a little longer, a little shorter. That's the same principle. You know, you could ungroup them, go to group and ungroup, and then make some longer, make some shorter. And it's a little bit harder on an angle, but since you just doing it, you know, sporadically, you can just take some of them and just move them down. They should still be on the same plane. You can actually make some of them longer. But that way you've still got a bit of an oval around that and, kind of like in here. Now some of them are missing that go up to the word, so you can just hit delete and delete those ones that you need to get next to the table. That would save you a lot of work. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.